Hey, my name is Siv Ngesi and I am the proud co-founder of the Menstruation Foundation and Padco Sanitary Pad Factory.
And we are here at UWC with our partners, the Clicks Helping Hands Trust.
And I am so inspired to be one step closer to ending period poverty with Clicks. 8 million South African women can't afford sanitary products. 4 million of these are in the school and tertiary education sector. I'll be walking around UWC and asking different students about period poverty. Come along. Hey man, do you know what period poverty is?
I do not know. I don't know.
Okay.
I'll say period poverty is when a female has a lack of access to her needs for her menstruation.
Period poverty is when women can't afford sanitary pads and any other menstrual products that they need.
Have you ever, or anyone you know, struggled to afford sanitary pads?
Not having pads, like you can go around without having like a pad. So for me, I use like a towel, maybe your shirt or something, because we were struggling. So I had to make a plan, of course.
There was a time when I just took a cloth and put it in me because I didn't have sanitary towels and I had to go to school.
It's very uncomfortable because you also have to ask people around, like random people, for pads.
Should sanitary pads be free?
Yeah, I think so, that they should be free, because it's a thing everybody, every female needs, and it's a thing every female deserves, I think.
I think they should.
It should be free.
Why?
It's not a choice, we just have to deal with it.
It's an occurrence that you can't prevent. And unfortunately for us, it's so expensive to have to go through that, and it's not a choice that we get to make for ourselves.
Seeing as we're the only gender that deals with it, it's kind of unfair, that we have to be paying.
I think it'll make a huge difference. If we have the service available to them, our students will access the facilities that we have without having to fear that their dignity has been impaired or for them to feel that they're any inferior from anyone else.
This is a sanitary pad dispensing machine. They'll be placed in restrooms throughout the UWC campus. If a student wants to get free sanitary pads from the machine, all they need to do is go to the administration building or the food bank with their student cards. They will receive a very important token, and this token needs to be inserted into the machine. Pull down gently but firm, and you'll receive a free pack of sanitary pads. Please tell all the students it's available.
Thank you, Clicks.
Thank you, Clicks.
Thank you, Clicks.
Thank you, Clicks.
Thank you, Clicks. Thank you, Clicks.
Thank you, Clicks.
Thanks, Clicks.
Thank you, Clicks.
Good job.
If men bled once a month, sanitary pads would be free.